Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start inside Outlook itself, open the desktop app or go to Outlook. Com and sign in. Once done, head straight to the Options area. On desktop, click File, then Options. On the web, click the Settings gear. You do this because theme controls live in those menus. Changing them there applies to the whole interface. Make sure you're on the account where you want the theme changed before proceeding, since themes can be account-specific in some setups. Now you choose the dark look. On desktop, go to General, then personalize your copy of Microsoft Office and pick black from the Office theme dropdown. This forces the Outlook Chrome to a true black. On the web, open View all Outlook settings, General, Appearance, and select Dark Mode or the black theme option. You do this because black reduces glare and saves battery on OLED screens, and it ensures message panes and ribbons match the darker palette. Finish by applying and verifying. Click OK or Save, then check that Outlook's UI switches to black. Sometimes a quick restart makes the change stick. If it doesn't persist, check Windows color settings and ensure Office is updated, because system-level color modes and pending updates can override themes. If problems continue, sign out and back in, or install the latest Office build. These steps resolve most permission or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.